Here, we are going to draw tangents to the circle from two external points P and Q. See, in this figure, C is a circle which is green in color, and we have drawn tangents from an external point P and an external point Q. So P and Q are external points, and from P, PS and PR are tangents drawn to the circle which is green in color, and from Q, QT and QU are tangents drawn to the circle C. From an external point P, a pair of tangents can be drawn, and similarly from an external point Q, a pair of tangents can be drawn. Now let us take a problem. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center, and draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. For this, draw a circle of radius 3 cm having center O. So take O as a center, and with the help of compass and with center O, put your needle at O and open to the radius 3 cm and draw a circle. So we have drawn a circle of radius 3 cm and mark this circle as C. After this, we have to take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. On one of its extended diameter, we have to take points P and Q, which is 7 cm from the center. So take point P, which is 7 cm from the center O. So OP is 7 cm. OP is 7 cm. So extend the radius from the center O, a line, and OP is 7 cm. Similarly to the other side, take OQ equals 7 cm. So OP is 7 cm. Similarly, OQ is 7 cm. Now our aim is to draw tangents from these points P and Q. As question says, take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from the center, and draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. For this, draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment passes through the midpoint of the line segment and intersects the line segment at 90 degrees. So with O as center and radius equal to more than half of OP, and with P as center and same radius, draw arcs and both cross at one point. Mark it as some point, say it as Y. Similarly, with centers P and O and same radius which you have taken for those two arcs, with centers P and O, make two arcs which intersect each other at some point. Mark it as V. Now join VY. So VY is a perpendicular bisector of a line segment OP. And see, this perpendicular bisector VY crosses line segment OP at one point. That point is the midpoint of the line segment OP. Name it as A. Now similarly, as we have drawn perpendicular bisector of OP, similarly we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OQ. Same method with center O and radius equal to more than half of OQ. Why more than half of OQ? If it is less than, it will not cross. It will not cross. So it should be more than half of OQ. Any convenient radius with center O and Q. Make two arcs above the line OQ and name the point. Let it be W. Similarly with centers O and Q and same radius as before, Don't change the radius. Draw arcs from with centers O and Q which cross each other at some point. Mark it as X and then join WX. Take it as a point X. Now join WX. WX is a perpendicular bisector of a line segment OQ. OQ is the line segment which we have bisected it perpendicularly, and see XW perpendicular bisector of a line segment OQ meet at a point, and that point is the midpoint of OQ. Let it be B. So we have drawn two perpendicular bisectors, one of OP and one of OQ. Now taking A as center and AO as or AP as radius, draw a circle. See, the circle passes through O and P. This circle with center A and radius AO or OP passes through O and P and intersecting the circle C, which is green in color, at 2 points R and S. Similarly, so mark it as R and S. Now similarly, as we have done with A as center, we have to do with B as center. So with center B and radius BO or OQ, make circle which passes through O and Q, because B is the midpoint of OQ. So B is the center and BQ and BO is the radius. The circle passes through O and Q and intersecting circle C at 2 points, mark it as U and T. U and T. So we have marked first point as U and second point as T and second point as U. Now see point S and R. Now join. We have to join PS and PR. So PS and PR are required tangents from the point P to the circle C. So join PS. So PS is a tangent from external point P to the circle C, and PR is also a tangent from point P to the circle C. So PS and PR are tangents from point P. Similarly, we have to join QT and QU. Q is an external point, so join QT and QU. So QT and QU are tangents from an external point Q to the circle C. So QT we have drawn. Similarly, we have to draw QU. QU and QT are tangents from an external point Q to the circle C. So from an external point, we can draw two tangents. So PS and PR are tangents from a point P, and QT and QU are tangents from point Q. O is a center, and with center O we have drawn a circle of radius 3 centimeter, and on this circle with point Q and with point P we have drawn tangents. So QT, QU are tangents from the point Q, and PS and PR are tangents from point P. Now see how QT and QU are tangents. Now we have to see. So first of all, now join TU. We have joined TU. Now join TU. Now see this OQT. This is a semicircle. OQ is the diameter and this is the semicircle. And this QTO is an angle in a semicircle. So QTO is 90 degree. As we know, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. See here, this is 90 degree. So OT is radius of the circle of green color. So this is 3 centimeter, and QT is a line. So OT is perpendicular to QT. Radius is perpendicular to QT. So radius is perpendicular to QT. So QT is a tangent because radius is perpendicular to the tangent to the point of contact T. So we have seen QT is a tangent. Similarly, QU is also tangent. And when we join OS, we see PS is also a tangent because OS is a radius and tangent is perpendicular. PS and PR are also tangents. Now you see QTO in a triangle, it is a right angle triangle and it is right angled at T. OQ is hypot, so hypot square equals sum of the square of other two sides. So OQ square equals QT square plus OT square. OT is 3 centimeter, it's the radius of circle, green in color. OQ, we know it 7 centimeter because Q point is 7 centimeter from the center. Now put all the values. OQ square equal QT, OT square plus QT square. OQ is 7 centimeter, so 7 square. OT square is 3 centimeter, so 3 square plus QT square. In that way, 49 equal 9. 9 transpose this side, so 49 minus 9, 40. So 4 into 10. Take a square root. 4 into 10, take 2 outside, root 10 QT. QT is 2 root 10. So this is the tangent and the length of the tangent is 2 root 10. Similarly, when we calculate QU, it is also 2 root 10. So a pair of tangents can be drawn from an external point outside the circle, and these two tangents are equal in lengths. So QT and QU are tangents drawn from an external point Q, and these are equal in lengths. Similarly, PS and PR are tangents drawn from an external point P, and they are equal in length, which is 2 root 10 centimeters.